Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Zigmoto. In today's video we're going to take care of the carbs. First step is going to be disassembling them. The second will be to clean them. As I'm sure you remember in previous videos, the carbs are super dirty, so they definitely need a good scrub. And the third step it's going to be to paint them. This is something that I'm actually super excited about. I can't wait to actually see the end result of the carbs painted. I think it's going to change the look of it and make it look better. So if you want, also stay tuned for next video that also will be about the carbs, and that will be the performance kit and rebuilding part of the carbs. Don't forget to subscribe down below and support the channel. In the meantime, let's just get started. So hoses are pretty old. They're extremely hard. I mean, it's not very flexible anymore. They've done, the form and everything. I might need to change the hoses, which is okay. I'm trying to remove it. Trying to slide it out on this side. This is the last hose that I have, and this one is quite difficult to remove. I'm trying to save also the hose, but I might need to force it and just change the hose if necessary. Do not put those hoses in garbage. You need to make sure you have the exact same size if you want to change them. Alright, there you go. A little bit of WD-40 did the trick, so if you guys were wondering, you can do that. Alright, as you can see, it's extremely dirty, so it's pretty bad, all of this, so definitely needs a good cleaning. And this is how it looks like in the inside, so we'll continue removing everything. Alright.
here you go guys, I've made a paint booth. Doing with what I have. I had some wood, so I made a booth, and it's reinforced on the corners to make sure everything is not going to move. Plastic that you can get anywhere, so it doesn't go anywhere. The sun is not there, so that's very important. No direct sunlight, no wind today, so barely, so that's perfect. And so let's get started. Alright, so we're gonna get started. I'm using Duplicolor engine enamel primer. The engine enamel is important, so that's basically heat resistant. And this is the primer, and we'll do, after I'm gonna do the in black. So this is a low gloss black, if you guys are interested to know. And same engine, so heat resistant. So we'll do that one after the primer. And I'm gonna try, I never tried this before, I'm gonna try one of those little guns. So basically you put it on the can, and you can use this to spray. I never used it before, found it at Arbor Fright for super cheap, so I thought I'd give it a try. Might make things easier. So before I get started, reminder, make sure you use safety glasses, and make sure you use a paint mask. It's important for your health, so make sure you wear that. So we'll time 10 minutes to make it to do the second coat, and then we'll time another 10 minutes to do the third coat. And the third coat is the medium. This is a light coat, medium, so it's going to be a lot more. And then we'll switch to the black. Alright, second coat. So first coat of the black, so we'll get started. There you go. So I'm applying the metal polish gun, and we'll see how from this piece here, hopefully we get it a little bit more shiny, and I'll go from there. There you go. It's not perfect, but it's a lot better. And the quality of the piece itself is not really good. It's very old, but it's compared to what it was before. If you check the beginning of the video where I start taking the carbs apart, this is definitely a big difference.
Alright guys, that's going to be it for today's video. We're going to let that paint cure for now. The next video is going to be about finishing the carb rebuild. with this time a performance kit. So this is going to be something pretty cool. So definitely stay tuned for that. If you want to support the channel and also stay tuned for next video, don't forget to subscribe down below, and feel free to leave any questions or comment you might have. I will be happy to answer them, and I'll catch you up next time.